Ladies and gentlemen, it's your host with the most, the one and only, and boy do I have an exciting unboxing and review for you all today. First off, I do want to apologize for being MIA a bit. As some of you are fully aware, adulting sucks. Life gets in the way and stuff just gets pretty busy at times, but our love for all things tech will never die, and so here we are. I do want to thank all of my subscribers for supporting my channel, so if you're a returning viewer, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and if you're new here, we'd love to have you as part of the family. Simply click that red subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss out on any of my videos. And plus, now would be a terrific time to jump on board early since my 50,000 subscriber giveaway is currently active. I'm giving away a whole MacBook Air. So if you're interested in upgrading your existing laptop or you don't even own one, this could be your chance. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video to find out how you can enter. But with all the introductions out of the way, you guys clicked on this video to see an unboxing of Apple's extremely overpriced ear cushions for the AirPods Max. So without further ado, ladies and gents, let's get this show on the road. Okay, so very quick because Apple nowadays includes near to nothing in their boxes. We don't even get a charging brick in our iPhone boxes, so we can expect much less here. We do see a profile and front-facing image of our $69 ear cushions. No, you don't need a Q-tip. You heard right, folks. $69 for a pair of ear cushions. Excessive? Absolutely, but we're also talking about the same company that charges $700 for Mac Pro wheels, costing more than actual tires for most people's cars. Insane. We do feature AirPods Max ear cushions branding at the top left corner, nothing much going on the sides, and on the back, we get some pretty self-explanatory directions on how to install the ear cushions to your AirPods Max. It should be a given, but you do need the AirPods Max themselves, because without them, you know, this purchase makes no sense. Peel off the tab and we are presented with this nice tab here with an arrow indicating that this tab slides up, and there they are. Nestled in, ready to add some spice to your whole fit. We get no documentation, no stickers, nothing extra. That's what $69 gets you. Now, going over a very quick tour, as this accessory primarily has a very specific use, and that is to create a seal onto your head that is both comfortable and practical while listening to music. The AirPods Max themselves are quite heavy as compared to other headsets, but the ear cushions themselves are super light, which makes the already hefty AirPods Max weighing in at 385 grams at least feel lighter on the head thanks to the ultra soft and pillow-like feel. And let me tell you, these ear cushions are soft as heck. It's like having pillows on your ears. Which, speaking of, could I use these as standalone pillows for when I hit that quick snooze? I don't know, probably not. I do have a big head. But anyway, the cushions feature a custom designed mesh textile that wraps around the ear cushions to provide that pillow-like softness while listening. The seal they create against your head is tight enough to confine the sound to blast directly into your eardrum instead of leaking out so that the whole world can listen to that one embarrassing song you like to blast on the daily. Apple also claims the cushions are crafted with an acoustically engineered memory foam that creates that immersive seal. You can see when looking at it full on that it is semi-transparent, where you will see a matching colored L or R indicating whether it belongs to the left or right cup. Sorry for those that can't tell between their lefts and rights, by the way. Also, there's a tiny window situated to the left of the left ear cup and to the right of the right ear cup. This is present so that that little window can allow the sensor to detect when the headphones are on your head, as well as housing other sensors in the actual cup, like a case detection sensor, optical sensors, position sensors, and an accelerometer. That way, if you're approached and need the music to shut off quickly, remove them from your head or simply lift up one ear cup and the music pauses. The window will allow the sensors to detect that they are off your head and either pause or play. Put them back on and the music resumes. It's pretty simple. On the back, you'll notice our magnetic strip that aids in the secure attachment with more mesh around the perimeter of the backside to allow the audio to dissipate and travel better throughout the over-ear design for a more immersive sound. So okay, Who in the world would buy these though? Seriously, a matching colored pair comes with the AirPods Max already, so $69 sounds like a ton of money for something that sounds so useless. But hear me out, they can be useful to people who depend on a studio quality headset. Allow me to present my points. First off, colors. Apple and company are the finesse gods. That's how they attract the masses and have us fork over our credit cards in droves. But much like the baboon likes to present its big bright red ass to attract a mate, we've seen Apple implement this strategy already, with the different colored cases, the different color options on the iPhones and iPads, and of course, don't get me started on all the different band colors. So I am a prime example of the target audience Apple is shooting for. Depending on what headset color you initially buy, you'll be able to mix and match different colors to add some pizzazz and maybe complement your outfit or just create a vibe. For example, as you can see, I originally purchased the green AirPods Max, which of course come included with the green ear cushions. But what if I wanted a different vibe? How about some Christmas colors and mixed red, white, and green? What if you want to be patriotic and happen to pick up the white AirPods Max? In that case, you got the white AirPods Max body with one cushion being blue and the other being red. Iconic. Or what about the black AirPods Max plus both cushions being red? Now that makes a bold statement, especially if matching a bright red band with a black Apple Watch. You see? So you can be bougie with the different color combinations. Have one cushion be one color and the other a different color. Or maybe simply have both be the same color to match up better. Oh, and by the way, for this video I was only able to secure the black and white ear cushions. Apple offers 5 different colors as of the recording of this video, all costing $69 a pair. You got black and silver that are ready to ship, which I have here, and you'll also have green, which in my case came included with my AirPods Max. You also have sky blue and red, which those are available to ship in 8 to 10 weeks as of late March 2021. Another useful aspect of these ear cushions is the longevity of your headset and how often you plan to use them. You see, most headsets have ear cushions that are non-removable. That could be a problem for someone like myself who continuously uses them on the regular for the gym and for general purposes. And as you can imagine while working out, the ear cushions on almost every available over-ear headphone will soak up your nasty sweat like a sponge. After multiple months and even years of use, the ear cushion part becomes kind of disgusting if you want me to be completely honest. I know I'm not the only one, and I don't mean to single out Beats, but has anyone encountered the issue with Beats Studio in particular, where after months or years of gym use or any kind of physical activity, the ear cushions start to crack, smell really bad, and become more and more uncomfortable by the day? That's exactly what happened to one of my pairs, and trust me, those things looked disgusting and hella musty, despite them being in fully functional condition. This somewhat solves the problem since removing them is so easy, which leads me to my next point. These are attached to the AirPods Max body through the use of some magnets. The connection is really clear, and the magnets, like I mentioned earlier, are located around the perimeter of the backside. So long as they're latched on correctly, you'll never have issues with the ear cushions themselves falling off. And removing them is as easy as installing them. Just pull on the cushion with a slight amount of force and they pop right off. Super easy. This way, if you buy your AirPods Max today, for example, after a couple of years of heavy use, the ear cushions will probably age in a similar manner as do pillows. They'll lose their fluffiness, probably go flat, might be pretty musty, and might just appear filthy and grody. Sure, it's not the cheapest solution at $69, but if you get a good 2 years worth of use out of your cushions, I'd say that's not a bad deal. In the end though, would I recommend them? Well, to answer this, one would assume you already have the required $549 AirPods Max. Assuming you can comfortably afford the AirPods Max, I would say having at least one backup pair of cushions isn't too bad of an idea. That way, you can spice up the aesthetics of the headphones themselves while also preserving the longevity of the cushions. If you plan to hold on to your overpriced AirPods Max for years to come, eventually you'll want to swap out the cushions because, as I mentioned before, they start to wear and tear after a couple of years. Are these cushions overpriced? Oh, absolutely. But when you consider the almost $600 investment you already made when purchasing the AirPods Max themselves, $70 ear cushions 2 or maybe even 3 or more years later isn't too terrible. Obviously, swapping out the ear cushions does not change the sound quality of the AirPods at all. It's all purely aesthetic. And like I said, I'm personally a sucker for the different color combinations I can make to either match my phone plus wallet case or my Apple Watch case in color plus band, so it's just an extra accessory I can customize. But I do understand not all people like the flashy colors, and most are okay with a singular color, and that's totally understandable as well. But guys, that's been it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think the ear cushions are overpriced? For those that do have AirPods Max, would you consider picking up extra cushions? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for my full review on the actual AirPods Max. That video is set to be released in the coming weeks. I've had the AirPods Max for a couple of months now, and I'm ready for my full-length review on them. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And lastly, I didn't forget about the giveaway. To have a chance at winning a brand new MacBook Air with the M1 chip, all you have to do is give me a follow on Instagram and tag 3 friends on this bright yellow post I have on my page. Tag 3 friends and share to your story so all your friends can be a part of the hype. Also, I have 3 $100 Apple Store gift cards I'm giving away over on Twitter. To enter that giveaway, which is running simultaneously with the MacBook Air one, just give me a follow on Twitter and retweet my pinned tweet, which is the exact same bright yellow post. Good luck to all. Winners will be chosen on a YouTube live stream on Sunday, April 25th. I'm clocking out for now as I prepare more juicy tech content for you guys. I hope to catch you all real soon.